Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 midday, and right now we're watching this big area of low pressure swirling around, which means we have several showers that are swirling around. The bulk of it is to the east of the Cascades this midday, and snow levels are right around 5,000 feet. They're going to stay pretty consistently around 5,000 feet for the rest of today. So we'll show you the progression up today with Stormcast by the time we're on the air for News Watch 12, 4, 5, and 6. I think that the radar is probably going to look just about the same. We'll probably have a few more showers and thunderstorms popping up in Josephine and Jackson counties, but I think everything else is going to hold true. And then as we head late into this evening, the clouds will start to break apart and the rainfall will also start to go by the wayside. So I think come time for midnight, most of us, if not all of us, will be dry. Here are some of these water projections we're expecting through tonight. And it's going to be inland areas that could receive anywhere between 1/10 of an inch to 1/2 an inch. And then along the coast, we're actually going to receive probably less than 1/10 of an inch of rain. So I know typically with storm systems around this time of the year, you would expect the coast to get the bulk of the rainfall, but it's actually reversed this go round. Here is your playground forecast for today for the Rogue Valley, and high temperatures today are going to be pretty cool. You'll have to dodge some showers, so I wouldn't totally cancel outdoor plans today, but I think it would be an excellent day to have that Storm Watch 12 weather app on hand. You can download it for free on the App Store and or on Google Play. And so with that high resolution interactive radar, you can track those hit and miss showers and thunderstorms yourself. So for today, we'll have showers and thunderstorms likely in our inland areas. It's going to be a little bit less likely along the coast. High temperatures today are going to be about 10 to 15 degrees below average for this time of the year. And also it'll feel a little bit brisk outside of the Rogue Valley, where we'll have winds gusting out of the southwest between 20 to 30 miles per hour. And then overnight, like you saw in Stormcast, most of us, if not all of us, will be dry. Skies will turn partly cloudy, and overnight lows are going to be very interesting because they'll be below freezing for the east side, which means that if we have any wet roadways overnight, they'll likely turn either slick or icy. But we should be above freezing for the west side valleys. We'll be in the low 40s there along the coast in Brookings. And then the rest of the week looks absolutely, positively nothing like today. We'll be having plenty of sunshine. Will be much warmer. You can see pretty much at seasonal values by Tuesday. So here's a better graphic to really speak to that. So almost up to seasonal values by Tuesday and Wednesday, but then after that we will feel much more spring-like / summer-like. We'll be about 20 degrees above average for this time of the year come time for Saturday and Sunday. So going from sort of winter-esque to spring-like to summer-like by the end of the week. And you can see the sky faucet is going to completely turn off. So turning hot and turning dry. Here is that 7-day forecast for the coast. We'll have a chance for showers and thunderstorms for today, but it's going to look less likely along the coast as opposed to what we're going to have for some of our inland areas. But you can see along the coast getting up to 75 for both Saturday and Sunday, which means we'll have winds shifting out of the east, and that will bring a bit of a Chetco effect. For Siskiyou County, rain and thunderstorms likely for today, and then after today, lots of sunshine. Temperatures turning very warm. We'll be near 90 degrees for Saturday and Sunday. And for the Klamath Basin, we'll likely be in the low 80s, but you can see it's going to be hot, it's going to be dry, it's going to be a little bit blustery. Those three ingredients not very encouraging when it comes to fire danger. And then for the Cascades and Siskiyous, we'll have plenty of melting snow over the next 7 days. And then for the Rogue Valley, rain and thunderstorms likely for today, and then not a speck of water in the forecast after that.
And then obviously looking ahead to the weekend, those temperatures significantly increase. We also are seeing breezy conditions, which we don't love to see on a 94-degree day. Do we think that the conditions that we're seeing today will help at all with that, or are we just going to dry right back up?
I think they'll help a little bit, but there's only so much that a system like this can do. And think about the last time we were this hot and this dry. We had several vegetation fires, albeit they were pretty small. So I'm expecting the same thing this go round too.
Okay. Thank you, Josh.
Of course.